Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from Stripe Capital, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Stripe Capital, begin by logging into your Stripe account. Ensure you have the correct account credentials entered. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. From the dashboard, look for the Balance tab on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Balance to view your current funds. Here, you will see your available funds along with the pending amount. Locate the Payouts option within the Balance section. Click on Payouts to see your payout schedule. Review the upcoming payout dates to ensure your funds are ready for withdrawal. If eligible, you will find an option to initiate a manual payout. Click on the Payout Now button. Confirm the amount you wish to withdraw if prompted. Select the bank account you want the funds to be transferred to. If you haven't set up a bank account yet, you'll need to do that first. Enter your bank account details as required. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any delays. Once everything is in order, confirm your payout request. You should receive a notification confirming your request has been processed. Check your email for confirmation of your payout request. Funds will typically be transferred within a few business days. If you experience any issues, consult the help section for troubleshooting tips. Remember to keep an eye on your Stripe dashboard for updates on your payout status. You are now equipped to withdraw funds from Stripe Capital efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.